Greetings, folks. So today we are now going to see how to create a location map or study area map today. So today we are going to create something like this. So here you can see we have a road shape file. Then we have some points with some labels. You see. Let's say, for example, these are our sampling stations. And behind that, in the background, we have a land use classified image. So today we are not, maybe we are not going to use that background image. We will use one Google image, so satellite image. Okay, and I made this map in ArcGIS. Today we'll see in QGIS. And so we need a road shape file, point shape file, then a country shape file, and then we need to specify the district of which this road belong. Okay, so the district and the road shapefile. That's it. Now let's see in QGIS how can I do that. So this is my country shapefile. So for convenience I have already made my road shapefile. Here it is. Zoom there you can see this one, and also I got my landmarks. These are my landmarks. Okay, so I have also extracted my shapefile, district shapefile. You can also do that from here. Let's say this one. So you can click here, then just click here. It should get selected. Why it's not getting selected? All right. What's the problem? Let's figure that out. Apply. Okay. Yeah. Now it's selected. Now if you right click here and go to export and save selected feature, okay. Okay, you can save that in a folder. All right, now let's save our shape file. Okay, oh, I have already saved it. Let's say dhk. Okay, save it. Okay, now you can see, yeah, this one right here. So we got all of our images, required images. Now let's do our work. At first we're going to create this one. Okay, so zoom to layer. Let's do a bit of styling and make the road a bit thick. Okay, you can see width a bit wider, 1.2. Yeah, that's fine. Then go to landmark, do a bit of styling here. Triangle size 4.6. Okay. Okay, and go to level, and if we, okay, just wait a minute. If we go to the attribute table of our what level landmark layer, you can see we have one column of containing station names. So go to levels and check single level. Then here you can see value, change it to, yeah, you desired one, desired column. Okay, so apply. Now you can see, yeah, but by default you'll see that uh, text formatting, you can change the size of the text. That's a 19. Also change the color, and by default you'll see texts are actually like this. They are just adjacent to your line. So to do that you need to go out to this placement tab, and distance, let's say 5. Apply. Okay, now everything is fine. All right, zoom to that. Let's now make one map for this. So go to project, then new print layout, okay, and give it a name map location map, just map underscore. It doesn't matter what name you provide. Now you can create some map layout. Either you can drag from this one, this from this left side, or from this one add item. So at first let's start from this add map. I want this here. Now you can see automatically your selected maps will be drawn here. Okay, dragged here. So we need to increase it a bit. For that, let's change the scale 1710. Yeah, it's now a bit 290. Yeah, now I think it's okay. Now after that, what you need to, what's crucial actually is the CRS coordinate system. And let's do that WGS 1984. Otherwise, you will see errors. Okay. All right. Now let's do a bit of what styling. Now go down and go to this grids. We're now going to add grids. Click on this plus icon. Okay. Now go to this modify grids. Okay. So let me just make it a bit bigger. Full screen. Yeah. So in this grid tab, we need to do what? Yeah, XY interval. So let's say point one. It's a small map, so small steps. Okay, point one, just one single. So let's make it 0.9. How about that? Yeah, now I have 2 versus 1. For 2 versus 2, you can do again 9, 9. Yeah, now okay. And we don't want to see those grids, so line style, make the opacity 0. That's it. Okay, now go back and go down, click on this draw coordinates. Now you can see the coordinates. So these are a bit small, we can fix that, no problem. Come on. Yeah, now we don't want this horizontal shape, we want vertical, just like this. So left, vertical, right, vertical. You can see now everything is fine. Okay, now font, you can change the font, and let's do the font size to 18 maybe. Yeah, that's okay. You can also change coordinate system. I mean, degree, decimal, degree, minute, such things. Where it is? Yeah, here format. You can see degree, minute, or just decimal. Okay. Now, what else can I do? Let's go back, and you can add a frame. You can see you can change the frame color as well. Okay, background, you can also change the background right here. You can change the color of background. We are not going to do that right now. So what else does a map has? Now one thing is a scale. So go to add item and add item, then go to this add scale bar. Okay, fine. Then drag a box here. Yeah, you'll see your scale. Now whenever you click here, you will see some options right here. You can change the unit kilometers to meters or centimeters. Okay, and unit multiplier also, and you can increase the segments. You can see right now it's a small one, so you can change, let's say 3. Now it's a bit bigger one. Okay, to do that more. Yeah, so you can do many more customization right here. Okay, we are not going to waste our time on that. I'm going to add item again and add a north arrow. Okay, so let's say we want that in here. That's it. You have many other options as well. One thing you can do is you can change the color, stroke color. Yeah. All right. So scale and what else? Oh, legend. For legend, add item level legend here. So you want a legend. That's right here. Okay. Now our legend is ready. We don't want those layers dhk bgd, so what you can do is click on it and do what, scroll down and click on this only show items inside the linked map. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's do a little bit of styling of our legend. Okay, so fonts and text, we don't have any title of our legend, so give it a title, legend. Legend. Okay, that's it. Then you can change the font size of legend. You can see legend title, so left, center, whatever you want. I think left is okay. Then if we want to change their size, this landmark road, you can go to these item levels. Okay, now let's say you want them in bold, also increase it to 16. Okay, good. Now legend is a bit smaller. We can increase the font of that. Where is this? Okay, leave that alone. You can also change the background. Okay, background of your legend. I think, yeah, you can see. So that's it. You have a lot of more options. You can check that out if you are interested in. So now it's time to go to move on to second map. But before you move on to second map, it's essential to lock this map. Okay, just click on this map, then check this lock layers. You see, and lock styles for this layer. That's it. Now let's make this map in the left side below one. Okay, so go back to the interface of QGIS. The second map is like this. Okay, yeah, just change the color a bit, symbology. Okay, now change it to a bit, let's set this one. Okay, apply. Okay, so that's it, and let's go that map layout and add map. Let's create a new. All right, now I think we don't need anything else. We don't have to do anything else with this map, so lock it. Okay, now go back to our QGIS interface. Now the last part is this one. Zoom to layer. Okay, yeah, this one again. Go to layout, map layout, and add map. I think, yes, it's fine. Well, now one thing we forgot is we forgot to add frames. Okay, so go down and you can see this frame. Check that. You can also change the thickness of it. Also, color. You can change colors, and then click on it and also check this frame. Click on it. Oh, we already. checked that. So that's it. I think our map is now ready. And let's do that arrow sign. You can see this arrow here. Add arrow. Click on it. Then click here at the end point. Right click. Oh no, sorry. Again, click here. Then at the end point, click. Then right click. Yeah. Now it's okay. Then again, we need another arrow. Here you can see this one. Click. Then right click. That's it. So we have our arrows. Now the only thing that we need to change is our background image. Let's say you want background image as a satellite image. So what can we do now? Well, we can do what? This is locked, this is locked. Let's unlock this one. Okay. Okay, don't worry. Let's go back here and zoom to there. Okay. Now in this browser, let's see how is XY. Yeah, satellite hybrid or Google Maps. Oh, I need an internet connection for that. Yeah, is that okay? No. Let's try that again. Google Maps. Okay. Now it's okay. Landmark, road, zoom to there. Now you can see, yeah. So just drag that below. Yeah. Now you can see. Now we can make that our this background Google map as our background image. So let's again go to map layout. Yeah. Oh shit. Didn't I lock that? Okay, don't worry. I first lock this one. Oh no, I didn't lock it. Okay. So refresh. We don't need to refresh. It's just refreshed. The background image is a bit transparent. I need to make that less transparent. I mean, yeah. So you can do that by again go back and here. Yes. How is the transparency here? Right here. Let's make that 34%. Okay, okay. Or you can increase that transparency a bit. It's up to you. So that's how actually you do that. Now what about this map? Okay, now at first lock this one. Lock. Okay. Now unlock this one. I need to change this map. So it's not a big deal. Okay, this one. Okay, go to layout and refresh it. Yeah, that's it. I think everything is fine now. Lock this one. Well, now if you would like to add any label, let's say add item label text file, actually text, you can right here. What's a st study area or mrt line 3. The font is bold 20. Okay, so all right. center, send middle. So that's it. You can also change the background color or anything you would like to add. You can add that. And finally, what we'll do, go to this layout again and export map. Export as image. You can export as PDF or PNG, whatever you want. Now what you need to do is just export this map, and you can use that in your paper, article, whatever you want. So I think you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, comment and like. And if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next video.